Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a second Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This is where you will find the option to manage your existing wallets and add new ones. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete, giving you greater flexibility in managing your digital assets. Trust Wallet is designed to let you manage multiple independent wallets directly within the same app. This means you do not need to install a separate application or create a new account. Each additional wallet you create will have its own unique 12-word recovery phrase, ensuring that your assets are completely segregated. This powerful feature provides a secure and convenient way to organize your various cryptocurrency holdings. To add a new wallet, simply go to the Wallets section within your settings. Here, you will see a list of any wallets you currently manage. Look for a plus sign, usually in the upper right-hand corner, and tap it. You will then be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Select Create a New Wallet and proceed through the steps, which include backing up your new 12-word recovery phrase. Securing your new wallet is paramount. After creating it, you will be given a unique 12-word recovery phrase. It is absolutely critical to write this down on a physical piece of paper and store it in a safe, private place, like a fireproof safe. Never store it digitally or share it with anyone, as this phrase is the master key to your funds. Losing it means losing access to your assets forever.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.